Larsen Toubro Limited. Business Case Study. Larsen Toubro is a major technology, engineering, construction, manufacturing, and financial services conglomerate with global operations. L&T addresses critical needs in key sectors: hydrocarbon, infrastructure, power, process industries, and defense, for customers in over 30 countries around the world. Challenges and opportunities. Functional upgrades, limited SAP ECC functionality, excessive custom code functionality. Business partner conversion, actionable business insights. Why SAP and SAVIC Technologies Private Limited. S/4HANA serves as the digital core for business process simplification by harnessing the power of its HANA in-memory database and great boost in performance. Transforming the data structure from SAP ERP to the new hierarchical structure in SAP S/4HANA and to reduced processing time. Sales and retail might start demanding better mobile capabilities and SAP Fiori apps enabling users to easily access overview pages, work lists, and list reports. Value-driven results. Improved business process efficiency. Amalgamation of over 80% custom code functionality. Enhanced end-user engagement, 900x faster reporting, in analytics, SAP Fiori deployment and enablement. Top benefits achieved: 100%. Speeding up reporting, 50%. Faster information access speeds up decision-making, 35%. Cutting database size, improved data quality. With SAVIC's expert planning and smooth execution of the S/4HANA conversion POC project, we can now analyze transaction data in detail and access real-time data. This helps us make smart decisions more efficiently. We sincerely hope that the arrangements we made for you were satisfactory to you. SAVIC is delighted to have you as our business partner.